Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and with Anvi. So today's project is on Zergodos digital value. So what is Zergodos digital and what is its working? So Zergodos opens up a whole new world for open source developers. Traditionally, open source systems are developed by some of the world's best programmers, but they often do this on their free time and more as an interest rather than for profit. With the launch of Jargodos tokens, there is a new way for some of the world's brightest minds to financially gain from their interest and dedications and still remaining open source. While the Amazon smartphones forms a key part in the systems, developed services and system will be available also for those that do not use the Amazon smartphone, but those users will not enjoy the privacy and security that the smartphones offers. The dedicated VPN system Avo VPN acts as gateway between the secure users and open network, allowing services like Lamazon to be accessed by anyone. Future developments include secure and privacy-focused cloud storage, encrypted email services, cryptocurrency DX, and many other services with the core focus on privacy, security, and decentralization. Here you can buy this Amazon smartphone. Here you can see that there is a roadmap. You can read carefully. Q4 2020 idea concept stage. Select OS for a new smartphone other than iOS and Android. Customize selected OS for the smartphone. The reality is that if you are using a smartphone with the iOS or Android, you have no privacy. It is that simple. Q1 2021 Business front and incorporation of Zero Avocado. Website development for Zero Avocado. Hardware testing for the Amazon smartphone. Here is the information you can read carefully. There is a total fixed supply of Zergotos tokens. Maximum Zergotos tokens sold on pre-sale and ICO Zergotos tokens reserved for system developer and marketing rewards. Token reserved for initial setup cost, marketing and liquidity. Minimum buy pack per year by Zero Avocado Limited 40% of pre-tax profits. Reserved for management as Zero Avocado owners. Zero, they all employed by Zero Avocado Limited and have a wage already from the normal business. So you can go in the description box. You can visit the link. And so here is a Bunti Zergotos digital value. 50 Zergotos token have been reserved for the Bunti pool. Escrow address. There is a blog post campaign. Bunti poll allocation 10% rules and qualification. Here is the information about the blog post campaign, so you can read carefully. Join Bunti Telegram group. Join Zergotos Telegram channel. Join Zergotos Telegram discussion group. Stakes normal, incredible, outstanding. Normal 100 stakes, incredible 300 stakes, outstanding 600 stakes. Here is a YouTube campaign. Multiple allocation 15%. Rules and qualification. Tasks, stakes. Here is a TikTok campaign. Translation campaign. Twitter campaign. Facebook campaign. Instagram campaign. Reddit campaign. Here is Telegram and Discord campaign. Signature campaign. There is all type of campaign, so you can read carefully. There is a information about this and you can read carefully and join in this campaign. Here is a proof of authentication. Forum username, forum profile link, Telegram username, participating campaign, BAP20 wallet address. So you can join in this campaign and earning is